yeah. Give thanks every morning, every evening. Life is a blessing, Rastafari. When the sun rises, I lift my hands high. Thank you, Jah, for another sunrise. Every little breath is a miracle to me. Your love keeps my spirit forever free. Some days hard, some days bright, still you guide me through the darkest night. Step by step on this narrow way, your mercy carries me every day. Every heartbeat, every smile, you've been with us all the while. We give thanks before we begin. Let your light keep shining within. Thank you, Jah, for every blessing, every doorway, every lesson. Guide our hands in everything we do. Let our hearts stay faithful and true. Bless our work, bless our dreams. Flow your love like endless streams. Every morning we call your name, forever Jah. You're always the same. Bless the farmer planting every seed. Bless the worker trying to feed the family. Bless the student chasing every dream. Bless the humble soul who still believes. Open the roads where hope can grow. Lead us where your rivers flow. When we stumble, help us rise again. Turn every loss into strength within. Let peace live in every home, no matter where your children roam. Keep our minds so pure and clear. Take away every doubt and fear. May the love we give return once more. Open every faithful door. Thank you, Jah, for every blessing, every sunrise, every lesson. Bless our families, bless our land. Guide us gently with your hand. Everything we do today, lead us on the righteous way. We'll keep singing loud and strong, giving thanks our whole life long. Give thanks, give thanks. Every breath, every chance, Jah, keep watching over us. Forever grateful, forever grateful, forever faithful. One love, one heart, Rastafari.